Let's go, people. Back to it again on our Heatwave arena. 2 packs a day, as we do. Let's see what we get today. And here we go. Oh, little cool one. Sleeve him up. Yeah, the Journey Together looks really nice, some of the cards. I know it's Battle Partners, but fair play. This is Heatwave, Journey Together today. Pack number 2. Squirtle looks after our hits as he does. Slugma, Staryu, Pinsir, and just our AR for today, and looks cool, fair play.
Do not forget to like and subscribe to see what we get in the next 2 packs in the next video.